birthday. Ta-da! Wait. Hello guys. Today is Chang's birthday. We are gonna do some fun stuff and learn lots of English. Back to you. Okay, make a wish. Now blow. Now, we are gonna learn some English. Okay, these are balloons. This is a gift bag.
Birthday card.
A birthday card.
Yay.
Chang is opening her birthday card. This is an envelope. The card is inside the envelope. And I've written a birthday note. So we have put the candles in the watermelon. You light candles with a lighter. So this is a party hat, and this is a party blower.
That's a good one.
Your turn. Now, I've got a little game.
Oh, a game! I love games. Can I play?
Sorry, boys. This one's for the birthday girl.
Oh. Well, can you at least explain the game?
Sure. I'm going to put these 3 notes in these 3 balloons, and Chang has to pop the balloons to find out what we're going to do today.
Ooh, cheesecake. Like you don't have anything.
So the first ingredients we need are the unsalted butter and the whipping cream. And I'm going to put these in my pan down trolley. This is a trolley. Right, we need a whisk to whip you into shape in the trolley. Should we get this passion fruit juice?
Yeah.
Chang is walking down the aisle. Right, do you want to show the people what it is?
Biscuits.
Biscuits. Nice. And Chang's putting the biscuits in the trolley. Hello. Next we need, for the topping of the cheesecake, some passion fruits. Let's get 3 of these. Chang just got the passion fruits weighed over here, where the ladies weigh the vegetables. And here is the price tag on with the barcode. These are the scales where they weigh the fruits and veggies. Speaking of fruits, these are apples, avocados, and durian fruit. Are we done yet?
Not yet.
Ooh, what's that? It's not related to baking, but this is a fire extinguisher. If there's any fires, they'd blow this.
Ingredient to make cheesecake: a rice bowl.
This is a soft toy. Chang's hungry. You gonna get some sushi?
The tteokbokki.
You want your card? From my money. This is a receipt. We are in the food court. This is a food court in the supermarket. Sushi on a tray. You want some? Should we go do some bowling?
Yeah.
We're gonna check out, buy our things, and go have some fun. This is a basket. Inside we have the bowling shoes. And this is Velcro. You fasten the Velcro. These are laces. I am tying the laces. In the UK, to do up your laces. So Chang is picking up the bowling ball and she's walking towards the bowling lane or the bowling alley. She's got the ready position. Ooh, it's good. Nice. Now it's my turn. I'm picking up the bowling ball. I'm walking towards the bowling lane. Deep breath. Let's go. Ah, sugar. That ball just went in the gutter. This is the gutter. J0. Try again. It's better. Oh, hey! We've gone from 0 to strike. When you knock down all of the pins, it's called a strike. When you knock down all the pins in 2, it's called a spare. Last ball. High five. We have got our ingredients, had a game of bowling, and now we're going to head home to bake.
Well, that was a piece of cake. Speaking of cake, this cheesecake is made of layers.
Top layer, passion fruit jelly.
Middle layer, cream cheese filling. Bottom layer, buttery biscuit base. Now, time is running out. So, Chang? Madam? So guys, we are going to do something creative for Chang's birthday. We're going to paint some cards. We're going to make these look very pretty, and hopefully by the end of this, we've got something to show you. So guys, this is a playing card, and this is a deck of cards. This is a tube of paint. These are tubes of paint. This is the paint brush. This is a palette knife. Here, this is a palette where you mix your paints. Where we are painting, this is a table. Chang is painting at the table. Tablecloth. This is the tablecloth. Chang is still painting her cards. This yellow flower has 5 petals. These delicate things are called petals. And this structure is called a trellis. It helps the plant grow upwards. This is a lamp, or a lamp shade with a bulb inside. This is a skyscraper, and we are standing on a rooftop. And we're gonna look at something very scary now. Very carefully. That is a big drop, a sheer drop. Don't wanna fall down there. Whew. All right, taking a sip of my salted coffee. If you haven't tried salted coffee, it's just about the best drink on planet Earth. Okay, we've been painting for a good hour now. We thought we'd show you guys what we have so far. Chang has painted some, this one has a pink background and some lemons on, and this one has a blue background with some oranges. Are they oranges? Yes. Very pretty, yeah.
Thank you.
And this thing around here at the edge is called a border. A very pretty border with love hearts and flowers. So give yourself a clap. Very good. And I have painted a candle on the ace of hearts. Smiley faces on the 2 of spades. An abstract face on the 2 of diamonds. We've finished painting now. We're gonna go inside and pop the final balloon. About to do something we have never done before. Before we do, what the heck am I wearing? Well, this is a life jacket. We are wearing life jackets. These are buckles, and I'm clipping the buckle. So this thing behind me, this is called a banana boat. People sit on it, it's attached with a rope to another boat, and they try tip you off. All right, now I think it's time for us to go do some
Parasailing!
Teach some English.
Alright, well, we are strapped to the harness. That down there is the boat. We are connected via this rope. If that comes undone, we are dead. Chang is holding on for dear life. Holding on for dear life means she's holding on to save her own life. There's a drone filming us. Wave at the drone. There is a boat down there. That is a speed boat. We probably.
See ya.
See ya.
Okay.
And the final word of the day is... jet ski!
Go, 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 go!
What an experience.
Wow.
Didn't expect that.
Did not expect that. If you enjoyed today's video, guys, make sure to subscribe for plenty more of this content.
Happy birthday to you.
Right, now we are going down in 3.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Going up. That's a parachute.
To you.